Do you feel that? There's a chill in the air. Although here in Florida the leaves don't change, but we can do some changes to ourselves. This month, I'm trying to be more thankful, more grateful, not for the people in my life, but for the drinks that help me deal with the aforementioned people. This November, we are going to be focusing on the drinks that I am most thankful for. To be thankful, one must possess a giving spirit. So, I am going to be giving myself some spirits. This week's victory shot is from a local distillery, Manifest, and it is a rye whiskey. That's a quality rye right there. An Old Spice fashion takes everything that we love about an old fashioned and gets it ready for the holiday season. Instead of adding normal simple syrup, we are going to use cinnamon simple syrup and one of my personal favorites, an allspice dram. This allspice dram will leave this Old Spice smelling fresh and clean. A couple of dashes of Angostura bitters. An orange wedge slice with no peel. A bar spoon of Luxardo cherry syrup. Half ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. And a half ounce of allspice dram. You can use St. Elizabeth's allspice dram, but for this cocktail I'm going to use my homemade allspice dram. They both taste very similar and they'll work well in this drink. Three ounces of a rye whiskey, but you know we have to have ourselves a shot first. That's a good dickle. You know what would make that better? A double dickle. Oh boy. Yes, I said that right. 3 ounces. Then smoke your old fashioned with a cinnamon stick. Wonderful smell and a real cool thing to do. Add a Luxardo cherry. And that's an Old Spice fashioned. This week's word of wisdom is turkey. I find the biggest turkey lurking at most Thanksgiving dinner tables is not the bird on the silver platter. It's whichever member of your family uses words like thanks, grateful, blessed. You know the type. You're probably ironing out Thanksgiving plans with that turkey right now. Let me ask you a question. If your turkey doesn't turn out right, are you still going to eat it? Or will you throw it out and find a better turkey, a tastier turkey? But what about the family member? Do they really deserve a seat at your dining table? Or would you rather spend the day with people that you actually give a crap about? Or who actually give a crap about you? Okay.
How's the whistle going? Okay.
Okay.
Go for it.